How to fix Instagram Reels lag on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels lag on Android phone. First, in open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and click apps again. Now type here Instagram and then go to storage and clear cache and then click force stop, and now go back and go here to the battery, and here you will find performance mode. Enable it and you can disable it if you want, but if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back and enable it. And that's it for today's video. Or you can just restart your phone and it will be fixed, and that's it. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.